This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account details and security. Make sure email and two-factor authentication work so you can approve changes quickly. Once done, verify the target region allows transfers and whether in-progress purchases or ranked seasons block movement. Make sure to back up local configs and screenshots now, because some data won't move. Then log into the account portal, review transfer costs or requirements, and initiate the official transfer flow. Do not skip reading the prompts that explain what moves and what stays behind. You will now perform the detailed execution. Open account settings and select the region or server change option, then carefully review any fees and what items or progress are non-transferable. After accepting the warnings, complete payment and confirm via your verified email address. This is often required to prevent fraud. Make sure to follow each in-client prompt. If a verification code appears, copy it exactly. Once submitted, monitor the transfer status in the account portal and wait for the confirmation message before logging out. After the transfer completes, log into the new server and immediately verify inventory, progression, friends list, and settings. Adjust preferences if they reset. If the client still shows the old region, clear cache, restart the client, and check DNS or regional selector settings. Make sure to relink any third-party apps or authenticators. If something went wrong, collect screenshots, timestamps, and error messages. Then contact support with that evidence so they can escalate. This speeds resolution and avoids repeated re-requests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.